55 hours ago, I flagged Bobo at $4 million in market cap. It reached 16 million since then. A clean 4x. 99% of crypto traders have made zero money in the last week. Yet, the viewers of this channel made tens of thousands of dollars. Right now, I'm giving you 12 Solana tiny meme coins with perfect entry points and explosive upside, so you don't become the exit liquidity. First on the list is Troll, which is one of the biggest meme coins with one of the best narratives thus far. The first time I flagged Troll on this channel was around $17 million in market cap. On my X, I was actually talking about in the range of $10 to $12 million. Since then, it is actually up 5x. There are rumors that Ansem, which is the biggest crypto QL on Solana, actually kinda soft shielded Troll just yesterday. I do believe that we will continue to consolidate around this range, maybe touch around 40 million one more time, and in the current market, I do believe we shall be seeing the numbers of 60 and 70 and 80 million dollars market cap at least, and eventually longer term expanding way higher from here, mainly because this asset is on Coinbase, it's on Binance US, and it's one of the greatest meme coins to actually put all the stock people into meme coins, into this niche, into this sphere. This one is Groper on Ton. I actually called it first at 500k right here. Since then, it actually up a clean 4x as well. Interesting thing about this one is that I actually called it at the end of the video. So it's very important to watch this video till the end, and I will actually provide you a similar type of pick to Groper that I think will be doing very well, which is actually a better play to the best meme coin on the market right now, which is Troll. Ton is surging to all-time highs currently, and I do believe that memes on Ton are slightly lagging. They definitely front ran the whole move, but right now I do believe they are slightly lagging. I do think that we actually have another leg up in the movement on most of the Ton meme coins, and essentially in this meme coin as well. I do not believe it's going to be the big one, the large one, but I think your take profit targets, if you're holding this one, might be some around $3 to $4 million. Since then, I would be expecting some cool off to happen, probably, to be honest, to current levels where you would be able to reaccumulate the coin and essentially prepare for the next leg up. Next thing on the list is alt season, and we can see that the chart pattern on this thing is pretty strong and pretty insane. The corrective channel that was outlining, it just went slightly around the top of the channel and broke through, retested, and just started to print higher highs and higher lows. This coin is being heavily pushed by Sapaman, who is one of the biggest meme coin YouTubers, and a lot of people on crypto Twitter, they always underestimate Sapaman, yet he was almost only like one person who actually pushed Doge to 100 million in August of 2025, where nothing was happening on the market. Crypto Twitter could not push anything out there, right? So we definitely expanded from this trend line. The best entry point, if you believe that the bullish price action will be happening on this asset, is somewhere between $4 to $5 million right here. The bearish scenario, if we touch the trend line, somewhere at 4 million here, but it would be the best, like very best entry point to actually be getting into this asset. I'm quite bullish on the influence of SAPA, and the liquidity of this thing is quite low as well. I think more and more people would actually be coming into the market, more and more people will be seeing people talking about this coin, and there are definitely many altcoins pumping like crazy currently, and it's kind of interesting that this is just an index you can actually be buying. I did not understand the idea in the first place, but when I'm thinking about that, it's actually quite genius. Like, the more we go into the cycle, the more people will miss on the pump of the altcoins, the more they would actually want to be buying this thing. So on to the next one. Farcoin. Farcoin is a $250 million market cap, and I think 99% of the market is actually missing the move on the Farcoin. It actually outlined the bottom on $140 million, and right now it's expanding. By the way, I think same expansion should be happening on Pepe quite soon as well. As we can see currently, we retouched this trend line several times, and we are just extending from there. And right now we are at the core resistance for Farcoin at around $250 million market cap. I do believe we will spend some time in this region, as I think that short-term correction might be present, but In contrary to so many people on the market, I actually believe that we shall be seeing all-time high on Bitcoin before the end of the year, which means that everything you have to do, the only one thing you have to do is to buy your favorite meme coins currently and just hold them and understand what are the plays that you can actually be holding long term in comparison to those that are just short-term type of metas and will eventually be dying out. Most plays that I'm actually sharing on this channel are the ones that you can be holding long term. The levels of Farcoin are somewhere around 400 million, which is the first major resistance point, which I think it will actually be reaching in upcoming a week or two. And then there would be somewhere around $720 million in market cap, which I think in upcoming months, Farcoin will actually be reaching as well. So if you were looking for a trade with size, this is a 3x, a proper 3x from here, which you might be entering from these levels. Triple T is one of the new meme coins on Solana that people are pushing. From one point of view, it's kind of trend propelled by Trump, so I would be very, very careful about these things. Previously, I was saying that I think that the top was here around $7 million in market cap. Right now, it actually pumped to $11 million right there. I would not suggest for these market caps to be an entry point for you. I would probably want to wait for a correction between $7 and $5 million in market cap, look what will be happening with the narrative, with the coin, and maybe buying some here. Let's see if Solana guys would actually be able to push this thing even higher from here. Because mainly, there are actually crazy things happening on Solana marketplace. And you might ask, why? Why a meme coin from the absolute dead from $10 million in market cap actually pumped 12x in the matter of last day? And these are only the gains you can actually be seeing on meme coins. You can only have them on meme coins. Ton pumped 2x, UTA pumped 10x since the bottom. Solana pumped 10%, Troll pumped 5x, Bobo pumped 4x, Ethereum pumped 20%, right? You have to understand that these are only the gains you can actually be having in meme coins, and on this channel you're getting overviews on a daily basis around the situation that's happening. We have seen this slight pump. To be honest, I have to be honest with you, I have seen these levels. I was looking at this chart at $4 million in market cap, but I was not expecting for this thing to happen. The main reason for this pump is essentially Binance US listing a $2 million meme coin. Binance US, again, listing a $2 million meme coin. That exactly shows that meme coins are not going anywhere, that this is the best type of vehicle to attract retail, to crime, for exchanges, for platforms, for pump fund, and they will continue to actually be doing that. I would suggest to not underestimate the volumes that can be coming with Binance US, and the chart partners thing is pretty interesting right now. We're definitely at the resistance area for the top resistance line right here, and we just received a very, very strong and nice reactions from the bottom. I do believe that the market will be bullish in upcoming several weeks, so I do think we shall be breaking out and moving further from here. Next thing on the list is Giga, and I outlined specifically my price targets, short-term price targets for Giga and what is actually happening on this chart, and it's up 40% since yesterday. You can actually be long leveraging this thing on Bybit, and this is exactly something I'm doing. Right now I'm up around $3,000 on the loan I actually took on Giga. I did not have the best entry point, I must say, but again, if you are able to hold the loans on this low liquidity meme coin since the bottom, just hold. Guys, this is literally hundreds of thousands of dollars you could be making. Obviously, they will try to liquidate you and get you out, but this is absolutely insane. And the other thing I'm holding, if you are curious on that, is actually Starknet. The main reason I'm holding Starknet is because this is the chart of Ton in comparison to Starknet. We can see that Starknet is heavily underperforming Ton at this stage, and we can see that each and every time there was a touch on this line, Starknet was expanding like crazy. So this is the bet I'm essentially making, and that's why I'm longing $50,000 worth of Starknet at this stage. Coming back to Giga, we have our targets. I do believe it shall be seeing the same expansion as Farcoin, if not more, because it's a very low liquid asset, and I'm just holding my loan. This is no one understands on the market. I do believe that all the meme coins, they will actually outperform heavily all the new stuff because they have been building the basis. The coin is very much likely to go higher. When it's starting the push from 10 million of market cap, 15 million market cap, the basis, like the bottom, then from 0 From zero, you have many people that bought cheaply, and it has to go through its own cycle. Right here, these things, it's also the second peak on the more at least, I think Giga, it's also on Coinbase. It's the lowest meme coin and market cap on Coinbase at this stage. I think it will be doing quite well. Quite similar peak to Giga, Fork, one of the older coins out there. Frogcoin as well, so it's kind of like your Pepe bet on Solana. Absolutely bottom currently and showing the same chart. You can also actually be holding this thing on Bybit. I like it slightly less because it's a high liquidity asset, so it's harder to push in the bull setup, and the market cap of this thing will be moving not as hard as Giga. At the same time, the market cap is very low in comparison, despite the fact that liquidity is actually the same as on Giga. Giga also has $1.5 million in liquidity out there. Your first target is $10.7 million in market cap. Your second resistance would probably be somewhere around $16 million. Again, these are very short-term targets. Just going in Bybit and probably longing just a bit of it might make very good sense, or just buy spot and hold. We're definitely at the resistance area, at the core resistance area at this stage. From my point of view, worst case here is that for all of the assets we will be consolidating about these levels, maybe going slightly lower and eventually breaking out, because 90% of the market actually believes we're going down to $60,000 from here and you should be shorting, and Dr. Profit will be wrong. I'm telling you that. Here we have bull. I've been talking about bull for quite some time, but just look how perfect that this chart. One touch, two touch. You can arguably say that it's third touch as well, fourth touch, fifth touch too. And we are exactly in this triangle pattern at this stage, which should be breaking out either up or down. My bias is essentially this thing will be breaking out higher, and I think currently is actually quite a nice entry point. So if you have, for example, 100% of the capital that you want to put into this coin, 30%, I think you should be putting currently. 30 or 40% put if this thing will be touching the bottom fifth time, sixth time, it's actually going to be like one of the best entry points out there. And then once it breaks out and retests, enter with the last piece of capital right here as well. This is how you trade these things, and this is how you actually make money on this market. If this thing breaks down here to like 2.6 or something, dump the whole thing that you have, because it's probably going to go to accumulate for quite some time. I'm definitely bullish on bull here. I like the chart. Let's see what will be happening with this one. Bobo definitely followed the chart pattern that I outlined. I outlined that we will be breaking out and we will be retesting. This is exactly something that we've done, guys. It's easier to read these charts of these meme coins than you think, and you have to be subscribed and you have to watch this channel to be doing this with me on a daily basis. We broke through, we are retesting, we are expanding from there. Nothing much to say here. We're just in this trend line, we're supporting this at this stage. I expect for Bobo to be breaking out soon and follow this chart pattern that they outlined. A straight trend line support that we are touching multiple times and essentially expanding from there. It's a very low liquidity asset at this stage. It shall be going way higher from here. And this one is the tiniest peak, similar to Groper, that I was hinting at the start of the video. This is Rage. It's obviously based on the Rage meme coin. We have Troll that's pumping currently, that's in Coinbase. We have Logic on Ethereum, that's on Astral already in a bunch of exchanges, that's pumping. We have Logic on Solana too. Rage is one of these coins that is actually being pushed by the guys from Logic on Solana as well, and they pushed the Logic on Sol to $60 million in market cap, which I believe will be doing quite well. And I think the entry point I'm actually giving you here is quite a nice one, because what happened yesterday, it actually pumped to $1.3 million market cap, and right now it's retesting. It's retesting the previous major resistance. Arguably, it's one of the major resistances on the chart as support. It shall be expanding from here. This is the perfect entry point. And this is what you're getting if you're watching this video till the end. It shall be expanding from here. It's printing the perfect cup and handle pattern. I don't expect this thing, to be honest, to be consolidating for long around these levels. We shall be expanding, and it has an insane narrative. Troll whales are definitely looking into this thing, and they're calling this coin an A-tier meme coin. Make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell notification on. You do not want to be missing these videos in the future. Thank you very much for staying till the end. Stay healthy and rich, and I shall be seeing you tomorrow. Bye-bye.